In this video, we will take a look at how to make geometrical background gradient like one of these inside of Adobe Illustrator. Now they're really cool to use as a background against any element, so let's get into it. Everyone, this is Muneeb from Design with Muneeb. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time over here, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now let's open up Adobe Illustrator. I'm gonna hit create, and the first thing I'm gonna go to is I'm gonna go ahead and create a hexagon using the polygon tool. Now in the center of the artboard, I'm gonna click once, and if the sides are anything other than 6, I'm gonna hit just 6. Hit OK, and let's make that big enough to cover the entire artboard. Now by selecting the hexagon, I'm gonna go over to Effect, Distort and Transform. I'm gonna go over to Transform. What we're gonna do is make 10 copies, so we have in total 11 hexagons. Now I'm gonna hit preview. So don't see much of anything going on because they're all stacked on top of each other. So I'm gonna go over to horizontal scale, and I'm gonna just say let's say just 90. So you can see here I didn't have any objects showing, and then I realized, well, duh, there's the fill, how I can see any stuff. So just gonna set the fill to none, go to Effect, Distort, Transform again, horizontal, let's just set this to 90%, vertical also 90%. I'm gonna make 10 copies, so we have in total 11 hexagons. Now you have something like this. Once you do that, let's just put somewhere 92. So we have a lot more spacing. Now I'm gonna set the angle to 10 degrees. So we have these nice tunnel effect. I am gonna hit OK, and in total we have 11 hexagons. Now what I'm gonna do is now we want to fill these. So we can go over to color.adobe.com to find really great color schemes. Now you can obviously come up with your own color schemes, but I recommend these color schemes because they're very professional. They just work great. So don't try a color scheme like this one. It's gonna look a bit overwhelming. You can easily try a color scheme like this one. It has only 2 major colors. So I'm just gonna open up my snipping tool, and I'm gonna just grab this, capture these. Once I've captured, I'm gonna hit copy and just paste it onto Adobe Illustrator. Now what I'm gonna do is lay out a rectangle, and I'm gonna give this color. I'm gonna make a copy of that rectangle, place it in the middle, and press Ctrl D, so it repeats the action you did last. I'm gonna give it this light color, and finally this light. So we have this color scheme going on. Now what I'm gonna do is select all these 3, and I'm gonna open up the blend tool, and I'm gonna set the spacing to specified steps, and I'm gonna hit 4. So make sure for 11 hexagons you set the specified steps to 4, and I'm gonna make blends in it. So in total we have 11 colors. So in this transform effect, I'm going to select, go to object, expand appearance, select and ungroup again, ungroup once more time, if not ungroup. Now I'm gonna select the most inner, the smaller one, and I'm gonna press the eyedropper tool and get this color. I'm gonna select the bigger one and set the second color. Now I can just press Ctrl Shift and left square bracket or curly bracket, and I can just bring it back. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then make sure to leave a like on the video. If you loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Check out other awesome content on the channel. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.